Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel.
I wanted to share this post with you about this guy and a few children in Uganda. This is what they have been able to accomplish thanks to the work that we do in our groups, in our YouTube channels. He has been able to teach a group of children on how to do fluid arts. I wanted to share this with you. I wanted you to admire the work, and please show your support to this group by liking this video. And these paints are made with house paints, and just look at what they have been able to accomplish. And I just wanted to share it with you. I just cannot keep these to myself. They cannot afford most of the materials. So they have been able to do this with what they have. Then I saw another one that they run out of canvases, and then they started pouring in rocks. And look at what they have done. Thank you guys so much for sharing. Please do not keep your art to yourselves. Come and share and make somebody happy, just like this kid is showing here. Look at that smile. I'll invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos.
So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.